Hello बच्चों, can you see this beautiful phenomena of dispersion? Dispersion because of which rainbow is formed? Actually, I am making white light to incident on a surface of prism. When white light passes through prism, it splits into its 7 colors called spectrum. Would you like to know what is spectrum? Many of you already know what is spectrum, na? It's 7 colors arranged in the sequence violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow and red. I think all of you can see this pattern in the spectrum I have made for you. Do you know why dispersion occurs? Why white light splits into 7 colors? Because all the 7 colors, which are having 7 different wavelengths, when moved from air to glass of the prism, they start moving with different speeds. And glass prism bend them at different angles according to their speeds. So let me understand this phenomena of dispersion in a better way. All right, so let me have a better explanation of phenomena of dispersion, right? I have already made all the 7 colors here. You can see them. Let me make it more visible. All right. Now what happens when light passes from one medium to other? It bends from its path. This phenomena of bending of light from one medium to other when light passes, bending of light is called refraction. Bending of light when light moves from one medium to other. Now this is a prism and I made white light to incident on its surface. This white light enters the glass prism and exits from this surface, right? Now from this surface, when white light exits, it splits into 7 colors. Splitting starts in this surface only, and that splitting increases when light exits from this surface. Let me understand actually what happens. Can you see the diagram I made to represent a prism? Actually, if I put a prism here, it's like white light is incidenting on this surface and 7 colors are coming out from this surface. Now let me understand point by point what is happening here. Bending of light is called refraction, and a particular medium bends a light or a particular wavelength according to a number called refractive index. What is refractive index? It's a kind of measure to tell you that how much a light wavelength or light ray will bend when it will move from a particular medium. Refractive index of prism, that is the glass, with respect to air is defined as ratio of speed of light in air and speed of light in that medium, which is glass here. But speed of light is also given by the formula frequency into wavelength. Now what happens when light passes from one medium to other? Its frequency does not change. But since white light consists of 7 different wavelengths, and if 7 different wavelengths are moving with different velocity in glass, then refractive index, which is speed of light in air upon speed of light in glass, changes. Actually, all 7 colors move in air with same speed, but they move with different speed in the medium. So refractive index of the medium is different for violet, is different for indigo, is different for blue, for red, for green, for yellow. And different refractive index means that when white light enters the glass, see, if glass prism is not here, the white light should pass like this. But can you see that light ray has changed its path? Light ray bends towards the base of the prism. This is called base of the prism. Now light ray bends towards the base, but see, red light bends least and violet bends maximum. Why? Because wavelength of red is maximum. Wavelength of red is maximum, and refractive index is defined as speed of light in air upon speed of light in medium, but the speed of light is frequency into wavelength. In air, frequency is f and lambda a is wavelength, but in medium, see, frequency remains same, but in medium, wavelength of the light changes. It becomes lambda m in a particular wavelength. Since red color has maximum wavelength, so its refractive index is least. So glass refracts the red color least, bends the red color least. While what happens with the violet? Violet has the wavelength minimum. If violet has wavelength least, so refractive index of violet is maximum, and refractive index for violet, refractive index of glass for violet is maximum, and violet refracts maximum. That is why you can see that violet bends maximum and red bends least. But because of difference of speeds of the 7 wavelengths in glass, these 7 colors are refracted at different angle and they are splitted in 7 colors, 7 colors pattern known as spectrum and Webb-Gure. So are you getting what is dispersion? Dispersion is a phenomena which occurs due to refraction. And what is refraction? Refraction is bending of light when light moves from one medium to other. And how do we know that which wavelength will bend more or which wavelength will bend less? That is given by this number called refractive index. Refractive index, more is the refractive index, more will be the bending. And refractive index depends upon speed of light in that particular medium. Why violet is refracted more? Because speed of violet color in glass is least. So refractive index for violet color is maximum. So what is cause of dispersion? Cause of dispersion is change of speed of light of different colors in a particular medium. And why speed of light changes in a medium? Because of refraction, refractive index, which is given by ratio of speed of light to the ratio of speed of light in glass. This number is different for different colors. So, rainbow occurs because of dispersion and dispersion occurs because of refraction. For class 8 and class 10, for both the classes, this topic is important. I must say very, very important. So we will meet with refraction of light through prism and some more details in next class. Till then, I think you should enjoy with the 7 beautiful colors we got through experiment in a dark room. And you can also try this experiment at home, making a room your dark room. Bye bye.